Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus on the best ever DxoMark camera ratings. Samsung Galaxy S9 is the best smartphone camera on the market now, says DxoMark, industry's most reputed independent camera test. The overall score of 99 by Samsung Galaxy S9 is the highest DxoMark ever made. Google Pixel 2 at 98 and iPhone X at 97 has been left behind by the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which is having a photo score of 104 points and a 91 point on video score. By this, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus becomes the best camera on the market which is present on a smartphone. Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus just came out of the market and has already been freaking out everyone, and now DisplayMate.com has come up with the test proclaiming that the Samsung Galaxy S9's display is the best display out there on the market, which is replacing the iPhone X from the top of the market. The display of the iPhone X was manufactured originally by Samsung itself, so Samsung took back the throne which belongs to Samsung. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the camera and display on Samsung Galaxy S9? Tell me in the comments section below, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Till then, peace out. Subscribe to our channel for latest tech videos and hit the bell icon to get notifications first.